From this to this. Hi everyone! Today, come with me as I give our old DuraBox a makeover. I am using this wallpaper I bought from Shopee, but this isn't your ordinary paper wallpaper. It's made with a plastic-like PVC material so it doesn't tear easily and feels super durable. This roll is 10 meters long and 45 centimeter wide. It is self-adhesive, just peel and stick. Waterproof and washable. No glue or tools needed, perfect for bathroom, sink, or even boxes like this. I started by carefully placing the wallpaper on one side using a squeegee to flatten the surface and remove any bubbles. Then for the box corner and holes, I used cutter to trim and fit the wallpaper perfectly. And just like that, our old box now looks brand new. It's such an easy and budget-friendly DIY that anyone can try at home. Hope this gave you an idea for your next upcycle project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY ideas. See you in the next one.